this. Data preview, refresh. Mr. Mrs. Customer ID, first name, middle name, last name. Okay, let us see what option we are going to discuss today. Student conditions split. We have seen aggregate, right? Derived column, we have seen select aggregate. Pivot and pivot, that we will see later. Window functions. Do we have any amount column here? Customer. Let us take sample data. Okay. We have order table. Let us take the order table. This desktop. Let us treat it as let us get the data sets, two data sets. Okay, already initially we discussed on the student information, right? Student ID, student name, gender, and phone number. Let us take student ID, name as student 1, gender as male, phone number as okay. See, to show you examples, I need few set of valid data. 103, 104, 105, 106. Let us take, I have 6 students. We have taken this example in our initial sessions, right? Okay, this is my student info. Let us take student ID, subject, marks, 101, English, let us take 90. English, let us take same English. He got 80, 70, 60, 50. Okay, and this is Hindi. One, two, three, 4, 3, 4, 5. All got 90. Let us take 3 subjects. Student marks dot CF. Now I have two files, student info and student marks. Okay, let us see what we can do with these data sets. There is storage. Let us upload this in our storage. Container, incoming, upload. Browse. Open. Upload. Now I have these two files. So that was I'll change my source. New data set, drop storage, delimiter, container, student marks. Okay. This is my source one. I'll have one more source. Blob storage. I'll use incoming. Student info. Okay. Okay. Data preview. Refresh. How many we have? 1, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the gender, male, female. Okay. And here, what I have? One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay. So 3 subjects. Now, what I'm going to do is, can someone let me know? Okay. I need each student total marks. Each student total marks. Can someone let me know what I can do?
Sum of marks are grouped by student. Student.
Here, what I need to do?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Group by student. Okay, that is a SQL statement. Okay, right. That is what SQL statement we had. So we had this group by, right? Same way, what I'm asking, using group by and aggregation, how I can get here same statement, whatever you have told, right? So what is the statement you told? Select student ID, sum of marks from student marks group by student. This is the statement. How I should implement this statement in ADF? How? And one more thing, I don't want this student ID. I want a name here. Does student marks have name?
No.
It has only student ID, subject and marks. Which is having student name? Source 2 is having student name.
Source to dot student name.
Which is nothing but our student info. What you saying? How I can get student name here?
Source to dot sorry. What's the file name? What's the file name?
1 minute. Okay. Some disturbance outside. What we're discussing. So I need student name here. See, remember, student info is having student ID, student name, gender, phone number. Okay. And student marks is having student ID, subject, marks. Now let me know how I can get student name
Student info dot student name.
directly. Will this work?
I hope.
Will this work? Anybody else? Anybody else? Did you guys understand my requirement? This is my data. These are the two tables I have. I need output as student name and respect to marks. Total marks. For each student, what is the total marks? Let us check student ID is nothing but your roll number. When you search with your roll number, it will display your name, your gender, right? And then it will display each subject and marks.
Actually, we don't get student info. It's wrong.
It is wrong.
Yeah. We are only selecting from student marks table only. So
That
we
is
don't
what I'm
get
saying. How to get it? How to get it? That's what I told, right? It will throw an error. If you write like this, it will throw an error.
Yeah.
So to make it valid, what you will do?
We can use join.
We can use joins.
We can combine the tables and segregate.
Anybody else? Likit, Chandani, Uday, Vijay. How can we get this? See, Ramakrishna is saying we should use this student name, but to use that, we should use something called as joins. Is it correct? Do we really need joins?
No, sir.
No. Likit. Likit. How can I get student name here? Uday.
Yes, sir. I mean, inner joint, maybe.
Hmm?
We can use joint.
So Ramakrishna and Uday are saying you should use joints. Vijay and Likit are saying without using joints we can get it. Chandni? Abdul? Yeah, Chandni, you're trying to say something.
Yes, and we also thinking we'll join only.
You're also thinking joints.
Yes.
You're thinking, still thinking. Mahesh, Abdul,
Maybe we can use join.
who is it?
Sir, Abdul.
Hmm?
Abdul.
Abdul, maybe. Okay. Chandni is thinking. Abdul is maybe. Okay. Uday and Ramakrishna also, they are thinking we can, but not confirm. What do you mean by join? When we should use joins?
When we have common data and
Using more than one table, then we need to use chains.
Now, what we are doing here to get student name, what we are going to do? In which table we have student name?
Student info.
We have it in student info. Where is in marks?
Student marks.
Student marks. Now, how many tables you need?
2 tables.
So, for when you want set of columns in a single select statement from more than one table, then what you should use? This is what I told, right? To get data from more than one table, right? Why you people are still thinking maybe and so many doubts? You should say confidently saying that as student name is from one table and marks is from other table, we should use two tables using joins, right? What join? Now question is which join we should use? Which join?
We can use
Union joint.
full join.
Union. Who is that union join person?
Uday.
Union join. Did we discuss anything on union join? Okay.
Yeah,
Now
yesterday we discussed.
my question is, what is the difference between union and join? Good question.
Union is a row-wise addition. Join is column-wise addition. Like,
There is nothing called as addition.
I mean, combining.
Union to combine the statements, to select statements.
Yeah.
Uday, union, it will
Yes, sir.
it will combine two results of select statement. That means if I have some select statement like this, student ID from student marks union select student ID from student info. This will work like this. Okay. And for union, we have restrictions. What is the restriction?
Same columns and same
Exactly.
rows.
Same number of
Yeah.
columns you should use, same data types. You should not rows, same data types.
Yeah.
See, don't get confused with all these things. Okay. Union always it is for two select statements. Okay. And what about joins? Joins are used to get data from two tables and columns uh, in a single row. We may have two tables columns in one row. That means here is in the same row you will have two table columns. But union is the output of two select steps. Okay. Now, what is the join I need to use here? Chandni, I want interactive session here. Everybody needs to respond here. Even if it is wrong, nothing wrong. You're learning something. Okay.
Sir, inner join because it matches both the tables. Rows from.
Chandni needs inner join here. Who else needs inner join? Anybody want inner join here? Yeah, Likit? I'm not getting your voice, Likit. Abdul, which join you use? Mahesh, Ramakrishna, which join you use?
Full join.
Full join. Who is a full join?
Full join, sir. Full join, sir. Yes. Me also, full join.
Who is saying full join?
Ramakrishna.
They.
Uday Ramakrishna. What? Likit? Likit also told full join? Likit? Unable to hear you. Yeah? Uday already done. Uday Ramakrishna, Mahesh, Vijay, what about you?
Student name, sir. Inner join, sir.
Inner join. Sachin, what about you?
It's an inner join.
Inner join. Equal majority. Okay, for 50% of the class thinking that it is inner join. Why? See, Ramakrishna, Uday, Likit, they are mentioning that as full join. Okay. Why Ramakrishna? Why it is full join? Any specific reason?
We just want two tables, two tables info.
Okay.
We don't want any segregation like that.
Hmm. Okay. Let us take an example. You have all the students. Okay. There are some students who has not written even a single exam. Do you want their marks to be displayed? I don't want, because they are all absent. I will not display. So if they are absent, their marks will not be there, not even 0, because they have not written exam, right? What does full order join do? Full order join, what it will display? It will display all students info,
In
like
point marks.
101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and 106. All students info. 106 student has not written even a single exam, right? And let us take the marks. Let us take one person, one student who has not written, sorry, who has written the exams, but he left the school, and we have removed his information from the student info table. Let us check that person is 107 in student marks. His name is not there. Even this data will be displayed, right? These two records we don't need. When you are dealing such kind of things, okay, you will not use full join. Full join is used only to check all data, complete data set of all the records, matched and unmatched, right? So what does inner join do? Look it. Now you are audible. What does inner join do? Only common data. We need only common data. That is where is required here. You can write as inner join or join. Default is inner join. Why we are taking this? Because I need only students who has written their exams. That means I should use inner join, not full join. Okay. So take such kind of examples. Okay. Try to do some practice on this and ask me in the session. So these are the two tables. Can I use inner join or full auto join? Can I use left join? When I should use this full join? When I should use this right join? Come up with say different data, not this different data. Okay, then you will remember it. Or else this is how it will be like you will. I know this will be confused. You will get confused in this part. It will take time for you to understand. Okay, that's the reason I am bringing up every time on the joins. You should be very familiar with SQL joins. Okay. Now you got it. When we should go for this one?
Yes.
We should
Yes,
use
sir.
inner join. Okay. Now, what I should do? How to implement this inner join in this? Why I should go for inner join? Because based on roll number, I will not identify who is that person is. I want student name. Okay. I want student name. You may get doubt, right? So why we should have two sources? This is just for an example. I'm showing you how to get data with different examples. Now, how to implement this? Can anybody say how I should implement? Let us don't let okay. In this we need to have this is a single select statement. Okay. In this select statement, how I can implement in ADF? Anybody? How?
Add full join. Sorry, add inner join. Sorry.
Where I should add?
Plus
Source
button.
1 or source 2?
Source 1 plus button.
Okay, source 1 plus. Now, in this
Join.
join option, I want everybody to respond. Everybody should answer. Unmute. Here, what I need to do? What are the different options I will be having in this? Left stream, first you should check it is by default, it is source 1. Okay, this is our source. Left stream is source 1. Then go for right stream. Now,
Source two.
is this fine? Only by selecting left stream, right stream and join tab. Is this fine? Can I go to data preview?
No.
By group by.
Can I go to data preview?
No, sir, add group by.
Group by. In joins, how can you get group by? This is join, right? Your statement, you are working on this, right?
Yeah, okay.
Working on this. So there is something which is missing here as well as in this. I have not written something in this statement. What is that? What is that missing in the select statement? And what is the other option I need to select here?
Matching ID, common ID. Matching column.
Matching column. So here we should use student ID equal to student ID. How I should write that here? How I should write that in the select statement?
A dot student ID equal to B dot student.
A dot student ID equal to B dot student ID. Will this work? There is a keyword missing here.
On,
On, sorry.
Exactly. On is missing. Okay. So till here it is done, right? Till here we have done. Let us check the data preview. Refresh. See, ADF is nothing but select statement. If you are able to write the select statement, if you get that output, you should just implement that in your ADF. That's it. See this. It is getting 102, 103, 104, and 105. Okay. With all the information. Now, what is my requirement? What is the next requirement? What I'm doing?
Sum of marks.
What I need to do? Now I have student name as well as marks. Aggregation plus aggregate. Now in aggregate, what I need to do?
We should
Group by
marks.
Group by marks.
Sorry, student ID.
I need, okay, let us see write whatever you ask.
No. Actually, here we are creating a column, right?
No, this is group by. You are not creating.
Okay.
This is what is a group by. Okay. Group by, if you are saying student ID, let us see what will happen.
Okay.
And aggregation. What aggregation you need? Open expression builder.
Sum.
Total marks. You want sum of marks. Save and finish. Data preview. See, it is showing some error. What is it showing?
Type.
Okay, where we should change such kind of issues? Huh? Where we should change if I have this issue? Yes, should go to that respective source where it is, right? Is that marks integer. Now you go to aggregate, check, this is fixed. Data preview. See, when you get that issue, you should be able to identify where you need to fix it. Okay. Now you got each student total marks. Okay. Uh, all these got same marks. Huh? We should change something. I need 104 and 105 different marks. Should reduce. Okay, for now let us see. Okay, but my requirement is not student ready, right?
Student name.
Then where I will get that student name?
Say in aggregate settings, group by, group by.
Group by.
Student column.
This one.
Yeah, student.
Student name. Data preview. Refresh. Now I got student name and this one. Okay. Now I want to display instead of student name average of each subject. Then did you got my question? I need average of each subject. What you will change? Subject aggregate open expression builder average save and finish data preview refresh. This is the average of each subject. Okay. This is average of each subject. Now I should make it in sorting. How I need to do that?
Add sort.
Sort. We have something called as sort. So here your incoming stream is this
Aggregate.
So sort column. Just
Marks.
the total marks.
Total marks.
So we make it as descending.
Okay.
Descending. Data preview. Refresh. The sort is nothing but here we have something called as order by. Okay. Let us check here the second column. Descending. Okay. Let us check your sum of marks is right. Or you can just do which column name you want. You can just give that column number or name. You'll get the descending. Okay. On top of this, what we can do is we can have something called as let us check. Add a rank column to your base data on we both are same actually. Let us see which one will work. See, this is a window function. Okay. Over I'll just take we have only subject. Okay. And sort we have total marks. Total marks descending. You don't need any range, right? And in this, I'll use marks. Okay. us use just this one, open builder. Hmm. Friends. Let us print this data. What is it? Did I miss any column?
Column name.
Dense. We can have our own column name. Data preview. Refresh. Okay, what I kept order by window column dense rank over subject partition by sort total marks. Okay, just delete this. Refresh. See, this is 1, 2, 3. Let me change this aggregate value. We'll understand this. Group by, we have changed this to, instead of subject, we had student ID, right? Let us have student ID, data preview, refresh. Each student will have data, right? Now let us see data of window. This is average window function. Let us see the ranking, how we get it. See how it is getting ranked. Dense rank 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I just want to, that's the reason I wanted 104 and 105 to be different. Let us open that. Control save. Student all files, student marks 104 and 5, right? 104, let us make 20. This is 10. Same 20. Let us change the source. Let us add this new data set. Continue. Delete. Continue. Block storage. Container. I just want to show you how this ranking works. Okay. Data preview. Refresh. Let us see this aggregation. Aggregation. Okay. Source. Projection. Marks. Integer. Refresh. Same one.
You haven't changed the source file. You just edited the.
Source 1. I changed this one. Sorry.
You edited the notepad, right?
Sorry. I forgot to upload, right? Shit. So these kind of small mistakes we'll be doing. Overwrite. Upload. It's already 8. New data set. Just see this, upload, and I will just we'll discuss in detail of these ranking functions tomorrow. So student marks, okay. Let us change this again. Integer data preview. Let us see if our data is available. I changed 20 and 10, right? It is not refreshing. It is not refreshing. It's something I have done wrong. Fine. We'll create a new pipeline tomorrow. So that I need to do. Okay, see, this window function is nothing but it gives the ranking for every value. Okay, like 1, 2, 2. So you know that if you are getting highest marks, you will be rank 1. If the same person is having same rank, then you will get same ranking. Let us take if this guy has only 60%, he will get third rank, 3, 3. Okay. And if you looked at this, right? So we have seen multiple options. What is this over? What is this sort? Why I have removed this column name? First, I have kept this over, but later I have removed. I will explain you how this actually works. And also we have different set of window functions called as, see, rank. We have something else called as rank, tens rank, and we have row number. Okay, and we have lead, and we have lag. Okay, all these 5 functions we'll discuss in tomorrow's session with SQL and how that works in ADF. Okay.